In this example, you're going to learn how to use file attachment controls. So let's go ahead and create a new form definition, and let's call it file attachment def, and we'll open that in the forms designer. And let's put a file control. There are two kinds of controls we have. One is the attachment control itself, and then we have another control to display what was attached, because a lot of times you might want to attach in one place, you might want to display the list of files maybe on the bottom of the screen. So you can easily do that. So let me drag the file control. So this is our most basic file upload control. You can go in here, you will see various other options. You can say it should only accept doc extension or .text extension, or if you keep it blank, it will accept any kind of file. You can also say I want to upload only a single file against this control, or whether you can upload multiple control files. You can also say show uploaded files. So let's go ahead and do this, and let's save that. And I'm going to also put a little label up here called let's put a little label that says upload proposal document. Let's do some styling, and on this form we have these two controls. Let's go ahead and save this, and let's create a new form instance. So I'm going to go to my run form instances, and let's say create. So the form definition already selected, and I'm going to say generate and say create, and we have a new form instance. Let's go ahead and edit this form instance. You can see the form shows up and it says please attach, and you can see we have a little table here that is displaying whatever the files we attach. So I can go in here, click on this button, and I can select a file. So I'm going to select the generate ATP docx file. So now the file is actually sent to the server, and you can see the file appears right here. I can click on this and it will download the file for me. I can also click on this particular control and remove the file also. So as you can see, because I said to display the file list, it is displaying the file list right below this particular control. So this is one way to do this. But what we can also do is we can also go in and change this particular control. We can say don't show the uploaded files. And let me go ahead and save that. And if we refresh this previous page, you can see, the file control. I can go and attach things. So let's put result JPEG, the file uploaded, but you can see no file is displayed here. If you want to display, what we can do is you will see we have another control here, and so there's a control called file attachment list, so which is very similar to the display that you saw, and I can place this anywhere I want. So I'm going to place it down here, let's say, and let's go ahead and save that. And if I refresh this page, you should be able to see now the file attachment control right here, okay, which is showing you just the name and file control. We can also turn on other things within this control to display. This control has multiple columns and all this functionality, but if you want a much more simpler control, what you can do is you can actually remove this control, and we also have a file attachment light control. You can place that control. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, and let's reload this our page here, and you can see you get a very simple list of items. So I can even go add another file here. Let's call it the git.pdf, and you will see that once it's uploaded, it will show up on the list. I can also go and delete this file right from the list. I can click on it and download it also. So this is how to use the file control. As I said before, you can use multiple of these controls also on a form. And we have two different controls here to display the attached files or the uploaded files into this form. So hope you learn how to use the file control with form definitions. Thank you for watching this video.